Okay, I'm going to go fix a no heat right now. It's at 278 Woodruff Road. See what's going on here. It's an oil heater. A guy says there's smoke. See what's going on there. He's getting a smell every once in a while. So we're going to head there now and see what's going on. Get right back to you. Okay, let's see what's going on here. What I'm doing now is I'm going to take the nozzle assembly out, see what's going on with this, see how dirty it actually is. Guy says it hasn't been cleaned in 3 or 4 years, so I'm going to take a peek here, see what we got. Don't look too bad. Nozzle assembly looks pretty clean. I'm going to change the nozzle anyway. Wow, somebody put that one on there. Okay, so what I did is I took the nozzle out. Like I said, it looks fairly clean. This one here happens to be a 5080A. I'll put that down there for now. Okay, while I clean this nozzle assembly up, I'm going to take some more stuff apart here. Okay, now we're going to go to the clean out the door. I took these screws out already, so see where we're at. These can sometimes be fun to take apart. Get the old pliers out and try to... Wow. Wow, they're tight. While I get these out, I'll be right back to you. Okay, so I got the clean out cover off, and surprisingly, it looks clean in there. So that wasn't the issue. We're going to keep going with this. Okay, now we're going to change this oil filter. I already shut the valve off. Now we're going to see what this oil filter looks like. Careful not to spill any on the ground. Looks pretty dirty. I'm just cleaning the canister up now. I've got a new bag here, new filter. Pop the new filter in, new gasket up top, and in this little bag This bag here's got this gasket. This is important. This gasket goes over top of this bolt. You put that in. Make sure this gasket's seated in there good. Put this back in, start it. Now make sure that that's kind of centered, and you tighten him up. Make sure it's nice and snug. We don't want no leaks. Right now we're going to leave the valve off because we got one more thing we got to do first. A lot of people forget this step. This is a very important step. There's a filter behind this, and a lot of people miss this. A lot of companies overlook this and just change nozzle and filter, but I like to check it. This one looks brand new, as you can tell. Didn't have to really come off, but at least now I know. This is a brand new, clean looking filter in there. So we're good. Now I'm just gonna put it back together. Okay, I just turned the oil back on. The next step we're going to go through is how to bleed. Because after we took the filter out, our next step is to bleed it. So what I'm going to do, this is the bleeder. Loosen that up a couple turns. Of course, the light wanted to die. Hold on. All right, we're back. My light decided to die, but I am going to show you how to bleed this thing. You're not going to stop yet because that's just what was in the line. It will have more air in it. Like so. Now what I am going to do real quick is I'm going to put this transformer back and check the spark. Not bad. That's bled pretty good. Tighten it up and we should be good. Now I am going to have to adjust the air on this because I put a 60-80A nozzle in there. Somebody put a 50-80A in there, but specs tell you 55, 65, or 75. I don't know why they put that nozzle in there, but we'll see. This has a delayed oil valve. That's the reason why it didn't fire yet. And she just lit. bit smoky. Looks pretty good right now. We're gonna let that go with the air adjustment we just made. Looks pretty good. Okay, we're gonna look at this fire one more time. Looks pretty good. We're gonna leave that settings there. Close the door, done. I think what the problem here is just whoever installed this or why they installed it, I have no idea, but they installed the wrong nozzle. Right here tells you what nozzle they wanted in it, and they went smaller than what they should have had in it. We should be good now. That should take care of the intermittent smell, and it's another job. Please share this, like it, and subscribe to my channel. This is Harry with Harry's Heating. Thank you.